Now it's time for...
Did I really just forget that melody?
What is up, my friends? Kevin here, the Tattooed Toy Hunter, and today I'm going to be doing a video on a few packages I've had in the mail for a while. There's 4 packages here. I don't really recall, as usual, what they are anymore, so I want to open them up and see what I picked up. These are mostly either online purchases, which the one BBTS, the Big Bad, I think I know what it is, I'm not sure. The rest are eBay or maybe Facebook auction stuff. So let's go ahead and open all this up and see what I got here. All right, so just got a regular knife today. Always practice knife safety. And we're gonna start off with a small package here. First package is gonna be very interesting looking 3 3/4 inch R2 figure. It's actually pretty cool looking. There's the front cover. I guess I picked this up on eBay. R2C2. Star Wars, the Clone Wars character. I wanted to pick up all the androids I could from Star Wars, so this was definitely a necessity. It's cool. It comes with like the hilt of a, I don't know if it's like a gun maybe. Let's see. Okay, it looks like it goes in here. Or maybe not. It does look like it goes in there. Let's see. Oh, there it is. You have to line it up. That is cool. So he does have some minor articulation. Oh, sorry, I'm not even... Sorry, I'm casting a shadow on this guy. Very cool. Kind of typical articulation. He's got that third leg. Really cool design. And he also comes with this, like a servant's attachment. So that's actually really cool. Very cool. So that's the first pickup. Let's go ahead and move that to the side. Okay, next one's gonna be this one, the big vanilla envelope. Huh. Interesting. Very cool looking. So the wings, the base, the Spawn logo. I don't remember. So it's like animated series, I suppose. Sorry, again. But very cool looking character. Comes with this huge sword. And it comes with I guess an unmasked. If you know who this character is, I'm drawing a blank right now. Let me know in the comments below. That's a cool character though. All right, let's go into this little package here. Oh, and we got packing peanuts. Let's see what we got here in the packing peanuts. So I got another Star Wars Android. Very small, few inches. So I'm assuming we got another Android over here. I guess I had a theme that day. Start getting online and throwing out bids, trying to win little stuff like this. Okay, so it's got a little base. Very cool. All right, so now let's open up this big bag. Let's see what I picked up here. All right, let's close this bad boy up. So I did get the Man-at-Arms guards, the Royal Guards. I've been waiting for that package a long time. I ordered it a long time ago and then I didn't keep up with why I didn't get it, but it finally came in. So I'm sure a lot of people have already gotten this one, and it was found like in the Big Lots stores. Super cool though. I can't wait to, I'm gonna build like a Origins little setup in my toy room one day, and this will be right in there. Palace Guard, Eternian Palace Guard. So that's gonna be it. Not a whole lot of packages. I did pick up a few items though at around the same time as all these guys, so I'll share with those right now. Some of you may have already seen them, but I picked this up for $8 plus shipping. 8, maybe it came out to like 15 or 16. It's a NECA Pennywise. I got him loose. I was very happy to get him. I was gonna use him in the Cuphead's Devil. Ended up picking him up loose as well. Something I had wanted to pick up for a while. You've probably seen some of these items. Goofy as Vader and Chewie. Of course, my last couple hunts, picked up some Muppets as well. Scooter and Fozzie. Some other items I picked up, of course. Mickey and Minnie as Luke and Leia. And this really cool little trooper duck. What else do I have here? I don't know if I showed this off also. This is a G1 Astro Train, a triple changer. The first. It's one of my favorite 80s toys. So I ended up getting him. He's in great shape too. I have transported him already. He works really well. So anyway, that's gonna be this video. I didn't want to make it too long, but I wanted to go and show off the last few items I picked up online. This is gonna be my hunt. This is Kevin the Tattoo Twinner, reminding you to never go that hunt. Pew 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 pew. Y'all take care. Peace. Yeah.